cleaning these out today. I gotta open that up and see what's wrong with that one. I got a vent cleaner, and we're gonna pull these out and clean all the vents off. Let's do this. The door cover just comes right off. That's bad. This is a gas drive, dude. You need to maintain these a little bit more. But I just take the belt off. You just slide it off, and the belt just comes out right out. It definitely needs some loving. You see people been in here replacing parts and just leave it in there. We'll get to clean this up real quick. It's a felt cover for it, but we'll get shot back on it. Lube up all the wheels. So I got that all cleaned out. It's not too bad. This one's actually a little bit cleaner. Big old ball of shit. I did find, because I know you're going to be curious, I found a fingernail. See a fingernail? Found a fingernail, a toothpicker, an earplug, and looks like 20 cents. For 17 cents. I'm not too worried about this fine stuff on here. I could go get the air hose and blow it all out, but I'm not too worried about that. I just want to get the bulk off of it. Check my wheels. That would sound really smooth. None of them were hiccups. So while we got the box open, we're going to go ahead and spray some lube on these wheels. Dry lube again. Put a little spray on there. It's dry lube, so you can get build up on it. Well, my curious people, I'll show you how this goes back together. Just take the drum. Let me get that belt out of there first. Get the belt out of there. And dust in my mouth. What it does is the back rim, it rolls on those back rollers. It just fits right back in there just like that. And now I gotta go through the whole crap of putting that belt back on. Because you really can't get in there to see the dang thing. So now you gotta put this back on. This goes here. This goes here. This is mounted. Okay, this just slides up in there, and you got two screws that hold this on. And then you got this screw, and you got one down here that holds this to the blower. And then this, which is your filter return, it's got two screws on each side on the inside of the dryer. And then the roller itself sits on the rollers in a groove. It's very simple to operate, but I don't like this screw right here, so we're gonna put us another screw in there. I think I have some self-tappers. Not there. I got them in my bag. There we go. A couple self-tappers. Let's pull this one out because it's stripped out. The screw's stripped out. So let's see if I can shoot it just to the right of it. Put another screw in there. Put one back in that hole. Nope, it doesn't even have anything on it. It's all wore out. Let me get it back out. You know how that works. It won't hold itself, but it sure won't come back out. Kind of crap. This is a silk tapper. Alrighty, there we go. Now turn this, make sure it's not hitting. Looks good. That looks good. Okay, so now all I gotta do is put the faceplate back on and put the footer back on and put the door back on. That's about it. I hold the door on. On there. On the other side. There's that. And then, where's my bottom plate at? Oh. Bottom plate that has a groove. Little fingers at the bottom. And this goes up here. And that pops back on. Getting that off pain in the ass, but. And then the door, it has slotted hinges. So you can get the screw in. The screw stays in there. And then you can slide it up and down. There we go. I gotta put that keeper back on there. Keeper. I forgot the keeper. Take it back off. Let me find the keeper. Plugged it in, put the quarters in it, turned it on. Working great, no problems. Right, check the back. Everything seems to be all right. So what I've also got to do, once I clean this next dryer, which is my next project, then I've got to move all the dryers out and clean out the dryer vent lines. We'll do that after lunch. On me. They put a torque security bit on there. So torque security bit looks like this. It's got the hole in it. So let's try a T27. Too big. You can get this kit at Harbor Freight for like nothing, man. But it's one of those things where like you never freaking use it. But as soon as you come across something like this, you're like, whoa. Man, that's a security. Oh, these are too small, man. Alrighty. There it is. Found it. Cool. Man. That's really dirty. So let's get to cleaning. All back together. They're all good. We're gonna go to lunch. Go to lunch and we'll come back and we'll tear that washer apart and see what's up with that. Clean my mess up first. Okay. We're gonna clean these dryer vents out real quick. Vent cleaner. I used to have one of these once before. They're pretty cool. Put it on a drill. Get the attachments. Shop back. Little brush. Big head brush. You can even get it with like auger style. This auger style, believe it or not, freaking downspout. Perfect. Run that bad boy right up a downspout. Works just like a dryer vent. But let's put this together and get to cleaning. So what I do is this is where the hose goes, or your rod goes in, and this is where the shop back hooks up to. So I just take the end off of my hose and stick the hose right in there. You know what I'm saying? And just squirt it in there. Give it a couple little spins. See, now it's nice tight, not gonna come off. And then you take the rod and get the rod out here. This way, I don't have to be in two places at one time. This rod will go, well, let me get the plastic good. So my rod, with the threaded end, stick it through the hole, like that. And then the end, oops, dropped it. And then this is the part that goes in to the ductwork. Just spin it on there. Just like so. And now I can hook this to the dryer vent, run it right up the dryer vent. Put a drill on the end of it, turn the shock back on, and it will clean all the lint out, and it'll go right in the shop vac. I'm gonna take this off. This is connected to, well, I don't know, I should be able to go down this. Yeah, I'll go this way too. So, stick it in there. Get the cord out of the way. Come on, cord. So, stick that in there, and then you stick that in there. Now I'm gonna turn on my shop vac, and it's gonna suck this stuff through while I'm running the shop vac. And then on the end of it, it's just an open end. Just your standard drill. Just stick it in there, open it up, and what you never want to do is run it in reverse. If you run this in reverse up there, it will unscrew itself and you're screwed. So let's get the cleaner. Like, I don't know if you can see him very well. It looks like I blew a little bit of stuff out, because when you hit it, it turns and goes out. So I think I got them cleaned out. Now I do just a basic shop vac, cleaned up, slide them back, put them back together. Be good to go, bro. Everything's working great, no big deal. Got a mess cleaned up. Done with this little project.